Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you Palak Paneer, Spinach and Paneer. I'm going to use 2.5 pound spinach. It's 1.13 kg and this is pre-washed. It's ready to cook. I'm going to put into the pressure cooker along with water and salt. This is the paneer I'm going to use. It's a Malai paneer and it's a 400 grams. You can use fresh garlic. I'm using frozen garlic. Good amount of ginger and 4 green chili. And I'm going to make a paste of garlic, ginger and green chili. Half onion will make a paste also. Olive oil for tadka, spices from masala dabba. And let's get started. Onion put into food processor and it's a nice smooth paste. Same thing with ginger, garlic and green chili. Paneer you can make a big pieces. If you have kids at home, it's always advisable. Do it like this, like a 1/2 inch thick, cut on the sides. Like this kind of pieces when you're going to make it and kids will enjoy it. So this is a perfect size. I'm going to finish up cutting the cheese. Cheese is cut into small nice chunks. Spinach, I put it into pressure cooker. 2 teaspoons salt. It's always according to taste. And 1 cup water. Start gas. And we're going to keep gas on high and we'll put the pressure cooker. Close the lid. And we'll wait for 2 whistles. Many people ask a question, what is the 2 whistle? It all depending on the gas. It could be take 10 minutes to 15 minutes. We have over 2nd whistle. So I'll pick it up and we're going to put it on the back burner. Once it's going to cool down, then we'll open it. I'll bring fry pan. 2 tablespoons corn flour. I'll bring the gas to medium and we're going to cook our corn flour. Once it's nicely cooked, then I'll take this one out in a plate. Cooking for 3 minutes. It's nicely brown. This is all we need. We don't want to burn it, so I'm going to take it out in a plate. I'll bring gas on high. 2 tablespoons olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. This is the onion paste and ginger garlic paste at the same time, and we're going to cook all these together. And it's very important, if you have something like this, you can cover it so it won't splash on your countertop, and we're going to mix it. So we're going to cook our tadka really good. So keep mixing. As you can see, this is how it looks. This is how our tadka looks after 3 minutes of cooking our tadka. After mixing it well, we will put the screen back again. Cooking our tadka for 5 minutes and it's nicely cooked. And I'm going to bring all the spices. Bring the gas to medium. 1 teaspoon garam masala, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon. We're going to mix it well. All the spices along with our tadka cook for ½ minute. Once it's nicely combined, I'm going to bring paneer. Mix it well. After mixing it well, spread it evenly. I'll bring the gas to medium low, which is number 3. Cover with the lid and we'll cook it for 5 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'm going to open it and stir it once. Exactly 5 minutes on a medium low gas. After 3 minutes, I did open it and I stir it once. This is how the paneer looks. The whole reason I did it, this way the masala blends in with paneer and it's perfectly done. And now I'm going to bring this one on the back burner. And I'll bring the pressure cooker to this burner. And I'll open it. It has been cooled down. And this is how it looks. I'll bring the gas to low. Cut it like this. I'll bring the corn flour. The corn flour is fully cooked. I'm going to use a hand blender. So keep your gas on low. Make it nice, smooth gravy. So we're going to start it. All done. It does not take that long. It's nicely smooth gravy. We're going to bring the fry pan on the front gas and we're going to transport everything into the paneer. Bring everything into the paneer. So I'll bring the gas to medium low, which is number 3, and we're going to mix it with all the tadka and the paneer. Once it's nicely combined, this is looking perfect. Cover with the lid and we're going to cook for 5 minutes. On medium-low gas, cooking for 5 minutes. Palak paneer is all ready. And I'm going to open it and we're going to dish out. I have my serving bowl ready and we're going to mix it. I'm going to turn off the gas. And if you notice that the oil start to ooze out on the side, this is fully cooked. This is the green palak color. How to achieve this consistency? Please follow easy step. And let me share with you. Our tasty, delicious palak paneer is all ready and it's a perfect vegetarian dish. Please try it and you're going to like it. And please share your comments how it turned out for you. And I'm going to see you soon with the new recipe. Best of all, easy steps cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.